Look, every boy wants healthy, good-looking, and strong hair. But around the world, 90% of boys don't even have a basic hair care routine in their lives. And then they experience hair fall, dandruff, thinning hair, and their hair becomes dry and frizzy. Look, whether you remove a girl's makeup or a boy's hair, the condition of both is the same. So if you love your hair, make sure to watch the video till the end. By the way, there is a lot of confusion in the market regarding hair care. Someone says to shampoo daily, someone says to do it only twice a week, someone says to apply oil, and someone says you shouldn't apply oil to hair at all. So what should one do after all? You just watch this video. Because in this video, I will tell you step by step how you can make your hair healthy, shiny, and strong by following just 5 simple steps of hair care. The very first step of hair care is cleansing. And here we are not just talking about cleaning the hair. You should focus more on scalp cleaning. Due to pollution, dust, dirt, sweat, and grime accumulate in our hair every day. Therefore, it is very important to clean them on a regular basis. For this, you need to use shampoo. But first, understand one thing. The only job of any shampoo in the world is to clean your hair and scalp. Meaning, never expect from a shampoo that it will make your hair thick, shiny, and strong. The shampoo's job is only cleaning. Now the confusion is how many times a week to shampoo. You have to decide this according to your lifestyle. If you don't go out of the house much or just have a desk job, shampooing twice or thrice a week is enough. But if you stay outside a lot, travel, do dusty work, play sports, or hit the gym where you sweat, then you have to wash your hair daily with a mild shampoo. If your scalp is oily, meaning your hair stays sticky even without applying oil, or if you have a dandruff problem, you should use a shampoo with exfoliating ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and tea tree oil. These effectively remove extra oil and dirt, and if your scalp is normal, you can use a sulfate and paraben-free mild shampoo according to your budget. Now the most important thing, the right way to shampoo. Do not rub your hair like animals. Wash them gently with a proper massage. Massage the shampoo thoroughly with your fingers for at least 1 to 2 minutes so the scalp is properly cleaned. And remember, no matter how cold it is, never wash your hair with hot water. Always wash your hair with normal or cold water. Ask ChatGPT what happens when you pour hot water on your head. So after shampoo, that is cleaning, the second step is conditioning. You must have noticed that hair often feels dry and rough after shampooing because shampoo removes all the moisture from the hair. That's why in the second step, we have to provide moisture to the hair again so that they look soft, shiny, and healthy. Therefore, it is necessary to apply conditioner always after shampooing. This is a very important step for your hair health. After you have shampooed, squeeze out the extra water from your hair. Then take a little conditioner according to your hair length and apply it only and only on your hair. Keep in mind, conditioner should not be applied to the scalp. It is only for the hair. Apply it well only on the hair and do not wash it immediately. Leave it on the hair like that for 2 to 5 minutes. Now you might be thinking, or you might think while bathing, what to do in the bathroom for 2 to 5 minutes. So let me teach you how to bathe as well. First, shampoo, massage it well for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash your face and hair. After that, apply conditioner and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. It's simple. During this time, you can clean the rest of your body. Now tell me, I have to teach how to bathe as well. And yes, one more important thing. Do not fall for these 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioners. You need to apply a separate conditioner. I will provide links to some good conditioners in the description, and I will also tag them on the screen. Step number 3 is drying. Yes, you have to be careful while drying your hair as well. The biggest mistake people make is rubbing their wet hair very harshly. Doing this breaks a lot of your hair, and in the long run, the hair roots also weaken. Always dry your hair by gently tapping or pressing with a towel. For this, you can take a good microfiber towel that absorbs water well. You will also find a link to a good towel in the description. And if you use a hairdryer to dry your hair, keep it at a normal temperature. Let me put one thing in your mind. Neither put hot air nor hot water on your head. So finally, till now, you have learned how to shampoo, apply conditioner, and dry your hair. Now let's talk about how to apply oil to the hair. Step number 4 is oiling. Look, the purpose of oiling is to add moisture and a protection layer to the hair. By the way, nowadays, people use hair serum instead of oil. The job of both is almost the same, giving moisture, shine, and smoothness to the hair. When you are ready after a bath, and if you are applying hair oil after that, you need to apply oil in a very small amount. Just 2 or 3 drops, and that too only on your hair. At this time, do not apply oil to the roots, that is, the scalp, of your hair. You must have always heard that oil should always be applied to the roots of the hair. But this is bad advice. Look, basically, our scalp is naturally oily. The maximum number of oil glands in our whole body is on our head. Therefore, there is no need for extra oil there. That's why hair oil should only be applied to the hair. Yes, you can do a good massage, shampoo, once or twice a month. But if your scalp is already oily or you have a dandruff problem, do not oil too much. And never leave oiling overnight. Apply it for just 1 to 2 hours and then wash it off with shampoo. You can use any oil you have available. Just keep in mind that it is pure. It shouldn't have any chemicals or fragrance. After this, if you use styling products like hair wax, gel, pomade, or hairspray, here too you have to keep in mind that they shouldn't touch your scalp. And if you have styled in the morning, you must sleep after washing your hair at night. Do not leave any styling product on overnight. These might seem like very small things to you, but believe me, these very small habits are essential for the health of your hair. So these were 4 steps to care for your hair from the outside. Now in step number 5, we will understand how to provide nutrients to the hair from the inside, so that the hair naturally becomes thick, shiny, and strong. Step number 5 is nutrition. Look, the roots of the hair are inside, and they get nutrition directly from our food. Meaning, if the diet is bad, then no matter what shampoo or oil you use in the world, the hair will remain weak. First, let's talk about protein, because 90% of our hair is made of a protein called keratin. So if there is a lack of protein in the diet, fix it first. For protein, you can add some simple things to your diet, like eggs, paneer, chicken, dal, lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans, or soya chunks. Look, if eating eggs is allowed in your house, listen to me and start eating 3 eggs daily for breakfast. And if possible, definitely eat chicken breast or fish 2 to 3 times a week. Now let's talk about healthy fats. These naturally keep your scalp moisturized and make hair shiny. The best options for healthy fats are nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. The simple way to eat them regularly is to start eating a few soaked dry fruits every morning. And at breakfast time, put flax seeds in oats or curd. Besides this, vitamins and minerals are also important. Vitamin A, C, E, and especially zinc and biotin are very necessary for hair growth. For these, you must add fruits and vegetables to your diet, like spinach, fenugreek, broccoli, carrots, and sweet potato. It has a lot of vitamin A. And for vitamin C, oranges, amla, Indian gooseberry, and lemon are the best. Apart from this, keep a few more things in mind. If you drink less water, the scalp can become dry, which increases the dandruff problem even more. So definitely drink 7 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day. A few lifestyle habits matter here too. Get proper sleep, reduce stress, because stress directly triggers hair fall. So brothers, this was a simple, basic guide to a hair care routine where you've understood all the important points. And yes, don't just forget it after watching the video. You have to implement these into your routine as well. And yes, let me know in the comments what topic you want the next video on. I will meet you next week with a new video. For now, you can watch this video of mine.